Another flight session day. We're gonna be flying in a nearby park. It's windy and cold, but it's okay. We have to fly. It's super cold and it's super windy again. I'll see exactly how fast is wind when I get home. So I won't be doing any tricks or anything. I don't want to risk anything. I don't want to fly over lake. It's too windy and I have that fork that holds camera. I don't have camera in the front. I moved battery a little bit towards the front of the quad to balance it a little bit more because it's pretty heavy at the back now. And that's my first custom built QAV-S frame with Diatone Mamba F722 inside. Motors are 2207 I think in this one, or 2208. Okay, so let's go. Okay, I'm gonna be flying. So that peaceful ground is up and maybe down below. But we'll see. We'll see.